Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup vehicle registration evidence with DMV Genie, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the DMV Genie app on your smartphone. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the vehicle registration section. Select the option to add a new vehicle. Enter your vehicle's information, including the make, model, and year. Input your vehicle identification number, VIN, accurately. Add any additional details required, such as plate number and registration expiry date. Once all information is entered, review it for accuracy. Tap the Save button to store your vehicle registration details. Next, find the option to backup your information. Choose a backup method, such as cloud storage or email. Follow the prompts to complete the backup process. Ensure that you receive a confirmation of your backup. Keep the backup information secure and accessible for future reference. Return to the main dashboard to view your backed up records. Familiarize yourself with accessing your backup if needed later. Regularly update your vehicle information to maintain accurate records. Repeat these steps for any additional vehicles you own. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.